everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I have something exciting today, and it's something new. I have designed my January budget sticker kits, obviously for the month of January. You guys, it is the middle of November right now. So not only is December almost upon us, which means Christmas, but then it's the end of 2018 and the beginning of 2019, a brand new year. Everybody will be writing down their 2020 goals. They may be financially related or health related, or maybe you want to better, your positivity, whatever it may be. That is all coming up, and I just cannot even believe that the year is almost over. So I'm ahead of schedule. I am coming out with my January budget kits, the designs for them. I normally have been doing just one design every month, and it is what it is. You either like it or you don't like it. But I had some suggestions, especially for people that are international, that, I think one was Australia, that they don't have the same seasons as us. So when I do a traditional season-themed washi, or the colors related to that theme, it doesn't really work for them because just because it's our winter right now, it could be their summer. So I took some considerations in, and I decided to come up with 2 different designs for my sticker kits, and I'm going to be doing this every month. So I actually already have February's done, but I am just tweaking a few things, so I'm not going to release that yet. So I'm going to show you guys January. I'm going to zoom in here, and I'm going to start with this top one first. And then I will lay these all out so you guys can see what they look like on paper, but I just wanted to go through each sticker kit here before I lay them out. So, turn my plant so it's not in my way. Alright, so the very first one here is the thick washi, and like I said, I will show you how all of these lay out. Actually, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you kind of how they look right now in my planner we'll use the month of November. So I laid down a thick washi at the top as my header. So this is the thick washi for the first set for January. I call this a leopard dot. So this is the leopard dot print. It's really pretty. It has some maroon colors, some really dark gray, a light grayish purple color, lots of little dots in here. It's just super cute. So that is the leopard dot pattern that I am going with for the month of January. So this I would consider more of the non-traditional January print. So that is that. Next would be the thin washi. So the thin washi has 5 different strips, all 5 here. So you have the print that is the same as the thick washi that I'm using. Then you also have another little dot print washi down here, and then you just have the 3 colors that blend in with the colors of the actual print. So you have a really dark maroon, a light coral color, and then a really light kind of peach color. So that is the thin washi. Next is the budget kit. So you get the January budget script, and then you get 5 different thin washis. Your first one is your income washi, income budgeted actual, and then plus or minus. Your total income washi. Okay, sorry, interruption. Alright, so then you have the total incomes washi, then you have your expenses, which is expenses budgeted actual plus or minus, and your total expenses washi, and then you have your total budgeted savings, and then total actual savings washi there at the bottom. So you get your 5 different washi strips, all in the colors that blend in with the thick washi for the month of October. Next is variable income. So you get your variable income. Oh, and actually let me show you. This is what the budget kit looks like on paper. So this budget kit, along with a thick washi, comes out looking like that. And then next you have your variable income. So with variable income, you get your script sticker, and then 5 or 4 washies. You have your income, budgeted actual, plus or minus, total income, and then the basically where you are allocating those income amounts to go to, what expenses they're going to. So that's variable income. You have your sinking funds kit. So script, 2 washies, category, beginning, plus, minus, or ending, and your totals. Your debt tracker, so debt, beginning, amount paid, and ending balance, and your total down there with your debt tracker script. Your transaction sticker to log all of your transactions throughout the month. The weekly check-in, and I don't, to be honest with you, even know if there are 5 weeks in January, but I always have 5 in here because some weeks or some months they are. So if you don't need the 5th one, that's fine, just leave it out. So you have your 5 different weeks of check-ins. So you have category, spent, and remaining, and then your totals down here at the bottom. And then you have your script kit. If you wanted to kind of custom do a kit on your own, you can purchase the washies and then have all the scripts that you need. So again, this is the, what I call the leopard dot print for the month of January. All of these stickers are up in my Etsy shop right now, so if you are interested in any of them, go ahead and check that out. And next I'm going to go over the floral print for January. Now this one is really pretty. I would maybe consider this one more of a, can't even think of what I'm trying to say right now, more of a January specific print, but not really. It's kind of goes along with the like winter floral of January. So you have your floral print here that in the 2 different washies, you have a lot of light pinks in this one, some purple, some gold, and then some teal, some light mint color. So pretty pattern. Lots of pretty colors. So that's the thick washi. And then your thin washi, again, has the 5 strips in the different patterns. I'll just go through these quick since I already really went into detail on the other print. So this is your January budget. Everything is the same as the kit I just went over, or all the kits I just went over, just a different pattern and different colors. Your variable income kit, sinking funds, debt tracker, transactions log, weekly check-in, and then of course your script kit. So those are both of my designs for the month of January, and then I am going to lay down a few of these stickers in a planner right now so you guys can see how they look when they're laid out. So I will be right back with you guys and you can see how they look when they're laid out on paper. Alright, so we're going to start with the leopard dot print, or kit I should say, and this is the January budget. So you see I have my thick washi laid across the top, my January budget script sticker there, and then the thin washi for the income, the total income thin washi. I broke up the 2 sections, the income and the expenses, with a strip from my thin washi kit. And then I have the expenses washi here and the total expenses down here. So this is what your January budget kit would look like. And then, you know, you would obviously adjust the amount of spaces in between depending on how much income you have and how many expenses you have. So that's January budget. Next we'll go to, I set up the debt tracker. So again, your thick washi, debt tracker script, your debt tracker thin washi, and then your totals right there. So combined, this is what that looks like. I really, really love this print. I love the colors together. I think it's just kind of a neat January kit that really isn't a traditional, you know, winter or snowflake, or like the gold New Year. So I really love this kit. I love the colors of them. Next, we are going to show you the floral. So I did the variable income. So you have the thick floral washi, and then the rest of the variable income kit. So you have the variable income sticker, and then you have your income thin washi, your total income, and then again I laid a thin washi strip from my washi kit, and then you have your expenses down here and your total expenses at the bottom. And then I set up the sinking funds kit. So you have sinking funds, your category, beginning, plus or minus, and then your ending balance, and then your totals. And so that is what that one will look like. And then I did want to show you guys for the ones that I did not lay down, I wanted to show you what those look like. So this is my November budget, so obviously the stickers will be different, but the layout is generally the same. So this is my November budget, my sinking funds, my debt tracker, my transaction log, and then my weekly check-in. I do not use the variable income sticker kit, but you guys did just see what that one looked like here. So that is what they will look like, but obviously in the prints of the floral or the leopard dot. So again, all of these sticker kits are available in my Etsy shop, which I will post in the description down below. You can purchase an entire kit that has every single one of the kits in it per design, and with that you would get 3 of the thick washi sheets, so 6 thick washi total, and then 2 of the thin washi sticker sheets, so 10 thin washies total, and then you would get every single kit. You would get the budget, the debt tracker, the sinking funds, the variable income, transactions, the script kit, the weekly check-in, and then like I said, you would actually get 3 of these pages, and I just used this one, but 2 of these ones. So you would get that. You could choose in either the leopard dot print, or you can get those same things in the floral with all the same sticker kits. So you can do it that way, or you can just order the specific kits that you want to kind of make up your own budget design for the month. I have them available in the 7x9, which is what I'm using right now, or you can also get them in the 8.5 inch by 11, so you guys can choose on there. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscription button down below, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!